Hello, welcome to the channel, Easy iMACRO. This video will present other options using iMACRO to fill in the form on the website. So, if you understand this step of iMACRO, you can skip this video. Before, we must understand this, why we must use this step for fill form. Because too many website use Ajax or JavaScript for filter information as fill form. Information is fill form will send to database and return to website. If that information is correct, some web will be show list and you can see information from database. Some web will be show alert text color red if that information is wrong. And so developer like to use JavaScript language for check user key fill form. For that reason, if we use basic step iMACRO for fill form, sometime command JavaScript for check information don't active or don't get value as we fill. So, we must to use other way for fill this form. You can see problem in video. So now, in iMACRO we can choose for record activities on web. Move your mouse to click Rec tab in section iMACRO. After that find record option button and click it. Record option setting will show and you must to choose radio button to experimental event recording mode and click OK. Move your mouse to record button, click it. After that type your word input form. Okay, you can see iMACRO will record it and code as recording will start with word event. This is different between the basic step fill form code is recorded will start with word tag. So this mode is we using for JavaScript can detect and get value for check it. In file hash current.emi will delete line start with text URL go to equals. And you can see the two lines of code iMACRO start with word event. First line is code create from mouse click on web. Next line is code for type text input fill. Point is different between the basic and this step is less than sp greater than. In basic step you must to use less than sp greater than but this step don't use it. Okay, we will test code and you can see list on web is show. See example in video. So, this step you will see it work with some website. Developer create web and use dynamic attribute it cause this step can't use because iMACROs can't find attribute it is recorded. Next video I will show step by step get dynamic attribute it for iMACRO. Thank you for watching and don't remember subscribe.